Welcome folks to another video. It's your boy Crypto Weapon. We're just looking at K-100. Now guys, I said to you in my previous K-100 video, which will be in somewhere up here at the end of the video, that I had gone back into K-100 and I had gone in with a larger amount in essence, because obviously there was word that it was closing at 7.5 million. So we've gone back in. And just an update on how that's gone. So I've brought up my transactions here simply because the platform is really slow. It took me almost probably 15 minutes just to get to this stage, and it was kicking me out at every point. So the platform is slow. I believe there is some communication that there are some updates that are taking place on K-100. Who knows? All I can say is on the 15th of July, I made a withdrawal and it went through. I received this eventually yesterday. So on the 18th, I received these funds. I've subsequently been able to make this withdrawal yesterday and then this withdrawal today after a long fight. So obviously the platform is going through its issues. I believe there's an upgrade somehow. So this is just an update to sort of let you know that the platform is still live. Terrence hasn't gone away and disappeared. You know, but remember, every platform will come to an end at some point. However, I can safely say I was sort of given a shock when last week we couldn't quite get into the platform and it kept kicking us out. For example, if I wanted to go to the dashboard right now, it takes me out here. And I couldn't tell you when I will get across to the dashboard, but we're still in it. It's got some kinks that it's looking to iron out. And I have received funds yesterday and I expect to receive funds going forward. So this is just a quick update. The link, if you do want to join the Telegram group, is in the description. Got fantastic platforms in the description. Copy, Falcon Investments, you know, Fortuna is another good one that's just come about. So it's all there to be had in the DeFi space. And I just hope that you guys take heed when you do go into log into K-100. Take your time, well, expect time to be taken in doing so. All right, so that's just a quick update on how K-100 is going. And on that note, guys, I'm out of here.